Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from Influenster. This is a cool box. I've never received a box like this from Influencer. It's so tiny and long and square rectangle. Anyways, this is not food. It looks like food but it's not. It's a hair product, and I think this is the first time ever Influencer sent me a hair product. Before, I only get makeup, skincare, food, and that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, so yeah, I'm finally getting hair products, which I'm happy about. Oh yeah, and I've gotten nail polish, so nail care. So this is hair care, so finally thank you, Influencer. So I'm excited for this box. It felt okay. So this is what the box came with. Is this little card. It says let's jam strengthening oh my gosh, strengthening gel brand. So this is a spiraling curl gel. Okay, so if you have curly hair, you're gonna like this. I don't have curly hair. I mean, I used to. It's wavy now, but it's pretty straight as well as like thin. It's long. It doesn't even have a lot of curl, but there's a little wave in there, so I think I'm fine using this. I don't know, but we'll see. I haven't used gel, any hair products at all in years, so this is pretty cool. So this is basically hydrates. It's natural texture hair while delivering up to 48-hour curl. So this is long lasting supposedly. All right, let's see. And this is it holds your day. Oh my god, it holds your hair all day. It's lightweight. Okay, so it has like all of these cool ingredients right here. So it's made of food. I don't know. It's literally coconut oil, avocado oil. This is vegan, so that's why there's an avocado there. So I think this is a good brand so far. The ingredients look pretty good and nice for your hair, so it's not damaging. So I just love their packaging. It's red, it's black, it's colorful. It looks pretty nice. So it's a full-size product. It's pretty heavy. Well, not heavy, but you can get a lot of product here. Look, it's filled all the way up to the top. Usually hair products are usually like up to here, or no, this is all the way up here. So all right, so supposedly this has no wax and no flaking. So I hope so, because I have dandruff. Imagine flaking after using this gel. No thank you. So yeah, I haven't used gels since middle school. I think when I used to do my scrunched up hair, I would use like mousse gel hairspray. So yeah, it was trending back then, but it was in the 2000s. Okay, so anyways, so this is supposedly helps with that. I'm guessing I can do that hairstyle I used to do in middle school but we'll see. So we'll see. I don't know how to style. Maybe if I use like a bun or a ponytail, I use this gel. I don't know. Or right after I shower, when it's wet, I'll put this on. I don't know. Let me see. So yeah, it's directions: apply to wet or damp hair, working it evenly from roots to tips with your fingers. Apply more as needed and style as desired. So okay, so yeah, basically like when you scrunch up your hair like this, you put, and I remember I used to do like this, like scrunch it up and hold it for a few seconds, and then like that, and then every section, and it would kind of curl, but then it wouldn't really stay for a long time. Even when I would put a lot of gel in hairspray, it would dry my hair, and I wouldn't use blow dry hair back then because I didn't have one, so, or diffuser. So my hair was always dripping wet in the morning. Like my back was always so wet, and I didn't know how to do my hair back then. Listen, I still don't know. I don't have the patience for it. So, but back then I was like, no, I have to do my hair. I have to look good. You know, when you're a teenager, that's usually how everybody is, right? So, and all the girls had like those scrunched up hair hairstyle, but dry, and their curls would hold all day long, and it wouldn't look crunchy or flaky. It looked healthy. I was like, how could they do that? Like, how? And I was like, I don't feel like asking them because I'm trying to learn by myself. Like, I know. And then they're gonna be seeing my hair. They're gonna notice, oh damn, yeah, you definitely don't know how to do your hair. So yeah, I was like, I don't want questions or I don't want her comments. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna ignore it and just continue doing what I can. And yeah, definitely don't recommend at all. Please use a blow dryer to make sure your hair is dry or semi-dry, and don't go outside with your bag all wet and your hair dripping. Like, and I don't know why nobody told me, and sometimes I wouldn't notice, and I was like, when I would go to school, I would feel wetness randomly. I was like, oh frick. I was like, you know what, I can't change shirts. I'm already at school, right? I'm not gonna call home and be like, hey, can you bring me an extra shirt? Like, I was like, oh, well, that's my fault. So I would just ignore it. And then eventually I tried throughout the day, usually like at 11 or 12. I don't know. And yeah, nobody told me anything. That's so strange. I don't know why they wouldn't be like, hey, where is your shirt wet? I don't know, it's weird. It's not raining today, so what's your deal or not? But no, so crazy. Everybody mind their business. It's so weird, but yeah. Anyways, that was a mini story time about me scrunching my hair using gel and all that. So, and let me see. Oh, it smells very good. It smells like sweet, but not like, I guess coconut, not really avocado. Like, it doesn't really smell like vegetables. It smells like just regular sweet, a little perfumey. Like, it smells very good. It's not so strong, but it's there. It's just nice. Okay, so it looks clear, if you can see. It's there. So it definitely looks great. So maybe I should wet my hair today and do it. I don't know. I don't have my blow dryer. I mean, I have one, but I can't get it out because it got stuck inside my drawer and I can't open it because something's stuck. Listen, it's ghetto over here, but oh well. So I'm probably not gonna be able to use the blow dryer. Okay, so it's basically you use it to scrunch your hair. That's basically it. Not really for regular gel use. Yeah, because this is a curl gel. So let's see if I get curls, because I'm trying to get curls. Well, at least for a day. Right? So yeah. Okay, I think this it. Oh wait, damn, they also have extra hold condition. Wait, they have shine gel. They have the different things here. I've never seen this brand before. I don't know if they sell it at regular stores or only online. I don't know. Like I said, I don't buy gel anymore, so I don't forget. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Probably insert like a clip here whenever I do use it. Wetting my hair and all that. Pretty much it. So bye.